What's going on, guys? Jake Tiesler with the latest Mustang automotive news. Today I just wanted to show you this video, or these spy shots that we've got of the 2021 Ford Bronco, and kind of show what these photos say about the vehicle, and just give you guys the daily kind of update with the news with what's going on with Ford products. So Ford Bronco, I'm not sure if I believe it does have a frame like a truck. I'm not sure if it's if it is a SUV or if it's not. I don't know what they're going to do with that. If it's going to be a body on frame truck style design, or if it's going to be a unibody. I'm 99% sure it's going to be a body on frame design, because they mentioned in a previous video that the mini Bronco, which is like the Bronco 2, do you remember that? All these old heads that remember the Bronco 2 from back in the day, that was the smaller Bronco that Ford made. So it was like a mini-me of this. And that's supposed to be based on the Ford Escape chassis. I believe that's what that is. So I'm assuming this is going to be on kind of like the Ranger platform, although the wheelbase is shorter, so they're not going to directly use that frame. So I don't know. I think I just went in a circle on that. I think it's going to use a body on frame. It's going to use a body on frame design, but I'm not sure that it's going to be from the Ford Ranger, because this does have a shorter wheelbase. I was reading this is the 4-door version. You can see it does have off-road wheels and tires. You see these side steps. You can look back here, you can see that it does have a solid rear axle. It does have a spare tire back there, and we've got, so the rumor is that it's going to have, and that Ford has, I've seen these patents before where it says that Ford has done a patent for removable doors, removable top, and some type of storage system to remove the top pieces in the back or something like that. I'll have to go back and look at it, but basically Ford has done these patents. This thing's going to come to life. It's really going to happen. Now, talking to some other people, basically what they said is that this is going to get the 2.7 liter EcoBoost with a 10-speed automatic. Now, the Ford Ranger does really well with the 2.3 liter, especially if you tune it. It makes a ton of power. So, I mean, not a ton of power, but for a 4-cylinder, turbo 4-cylinder pickup truck, it moves on really well for what it is. So that's really cool. So the fact that the Bronco is probably going to get the 2.7, that's the rumor. That's awesome. I think it's awesome. They actually, in this video, Ford released a video where they do take it off-road and they beat it up really well. So I don't know. What do you guys think? If it looks like that, that's going to be awesome. There was also a rumor that they are going to do a Ford Bronco Raptor. I don't know if that's true, but that's the rumor. So yeah. So what do you guys think? Do you like this? Are you down with the Bronco? What do you guys think of the photos? Let me know in the comment section. Hopefully it looks like that. We'll see. Yeah, they are saying that we'll be at the Detroit Auto Show, the debut, and hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully it looks aesthetically pleasing like this, because this weird break that we've been seeing in these photos, how they break the bed in half. There's a line where it looks like a pickup truck, a really stubby rear end pickup truck. That's not very aesthetically pleasing. It looks like they just took a Ranger and lopped off the back end, which might be what they did. I don't know, but we'll have to see. If they're using the Ranger frame, they just hacked a bit off there. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like, subscribe. Main thing is, what do you think? Are you going to purchase one of these? Do you think this looks good? I think this, caricature of a Ford Bronco looks good, but all the CGI, all the reproductions and stuff like that look pretty sexy, but the actual vehicle going down the road looks pretty blocky and unattractive, but they always do when they're wrapped up, except the GT350 and 350R. Remember when those were wrapped up in camouflage? Those look sinister. So hopefully this looks good once they get it out of the camo. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, if you'd like to stay updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news. And for all the new guys that are subscribing, this is usually a Mustang and automotive channel. So stay tuned and I'll keep it coming for you. All right, guys. Till next time. Over and out.